As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken.
Hey everyone, it's Kaya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're someone who loves motherhood and lifestyle videos, this channel is for you. So feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's just go ahead and get straight into this video because I know what you guys are here for. So today I will be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm super excited because I definitely will be upgrading from my previous phone, which was an 11 Pro Max. Please don't mind my nails because I'm pregnant. I am 28 weeks pregnant and my nails are just growing like super fast. So please don't mind them. But my phone is like in pretty good condition. So I'm going to be trading this one in. Since they sent me this one in the mail, I'm going to go ahead and transfer everything to this device. And then I'll be sending this back in. But yes, I never dropped this phone and it's in great condition. Which is probably why I got some money back for this one as well. Let's just go ahead and get straight into it with this unboxing.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in
I'm so excited. Because honestly, I had this phone for maybe like 2 or 3 years. Oh, this baby is kicking. Here is my baby. I have been waiting for this. It said it wasn't gonna arrive until I believe like November the 30th, but today is November the 1st and it's here. So just a little bit about the phone. As you can see, I got the silver iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is 128 gigabytes. Also, I do know this coming with like cinematic view. That's super new to the iPhones. It can zoom in 3 times more than it did before. They no longer have bubble wrap and they only have like these little pull tabs here. That'll be fun. I love the nice, sleek, skinny box because you know Apple no longer gives you the charging block. You have to buy that separately.
circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your headroom. Let me do
over.
what I do. Guys, slow down. Let me talk to you. Don't tell me.
Wow. Look at her, you guys. She is so pretty. Like, she just stole all the light, literally. The reason why I got silver is because I've had graphite for a very long time and I was just ready to do something different. I'm super happy with my decision. I also have a Casetify case. This is my first Casetify case as well. So this is my case that I bought from Casetify. It's really nice and it has these like bumper edges on it, so if you drop it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take her out the box. I'm just gonna tell you guys what's in the box. Comes with this packet that says designed by Apple, which always has the instructions in them, and it always comes with like some Apple stickers, instructions, or information about the phone, and one Apple sticker. Also, it comes with a new charging cable, USB-C. These smells so good. Oh my gosh. One thing I truly love about this phone is the back as well, because I love that it still has the texturized matte back. I did not want a glass iPhone, so that was my reasoning for really not upgrading these past time, because I just really wanted a texture back. This is so cool. I don't think Apple had this before. Maybe they did last year, but remember, I didn't upgrade. So to me, this is definitely new and I think it's so cool. It has pictures of it on the side of on each. Like, it shows you directly where it is. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, Apple. This is really nice. So now I'm just gonna take this off. Let's turn her on. She's turning on. She's turning on. Hello. This is so pretty. So we're just gonna go ahead and set her up now. So I'm gonna press English, United States. Set up manually. My Wi-Fi, I don't know my Wi-Fi. So just give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Ran and got the password. We're good to go now. Now the phone is activating. It now says data and privacy, so we're just gonna go ahead and click continue. So we're gonna do the Face ID now.
Sending you things I shouldn't do, 'cause you're on my mind and I can't sleep tight. And I know that we're talking night, but it's not that type I want you to love.
My password. I'm not gonna show you all that, but I'm gonna go ahead and create my password now. I'm still trying to decide if I want to set my phone up as a new phone or as an old phone. I think I'm gonna do a new phone. I'm just gonna click on don't transfer apps and data because I love to set my phone up as a new phone all the time. So it's not, but I'm gonna go ahead and sign into my Apple ID as well. Okay, they're also sending me a code to this phone. I'm gonna allow, and then I'm gonna enter this code into this phone.
Things I shouldn't do, trying to push you.
It says keep your phone up to date. I'm gonna say continue. Location services, we can enable the location services. Apple Pay, I'm gonna continue because I also had it set up on this phone and it is super helpful. And now it says setting up Apple Cash. Now I'm just adding my card to Apple Pay, and now I'm gonna set up Siri. Continue, not now. I don't know what happened to the Siri, but whatever. Continue. We can share with Apple, share with app developers. We're just gonna leave it on light mode right now, and we're gonna swipe up. My phone is set up as a new iPhone. I didn't want to set it up as previous because I just didn't really care to. I would rather just go in and customize it myself. This is what the phone is looking like. She is so pretty. Yeah, I'm so pressed. I'm so pressed to have a new phone. And then I'm gonna also put my case on. Just go ahead and clean the sides of it and everything. Because I have a lot of fingerprints on here already. Oh my goodness.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this coat.
This is so pretty. I love it. Absolutely freaking love this case, and I love this phone. You guys, I love it. We're gonna also try out the camera. Definitely gonna give you all a camera test because I was excited to definitely freaking try it out. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but the camera is like more effaced outside of the phone as compared to my 11 Pro Max. The camera is just like much bigger as well. Oh, you can choose like your different styles. I forgot about that. So it gives you like the different photograph styles. And you can choose standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, cool. And you can also zoom in like 3 times. Super good. Wow. So how it like, when I go back, it's still gonna have this pumpkin. It's like focusing on that pumpkin. Let's see what this front camera is looking like. Standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, and cool. Alrighty, you guys, so we have made it to the end of this video with my baby. I'm so excited to have a new phone. I just wanted to say thank you all so much for watching this video with me. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you're able to. If you have any questions about this iPhone, if you would like a review or iPhone customization setup, just let me know, you guys. If you all would like to see anything else dealing with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, just let me know in the comments and I will make sure I can record that and get that out for you all. However, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hi everybody.
Hi everybody, I like Mommy's phone.
You like Mommy's phones?
Yep. I like Mommy's phone. It's Spidey.
Is Spidey?
Yeah.
Spider-Man has a phone?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, you are so heavy. Say bye everybody.
Bye everybody.
Butterfat, yeah, like that. Sleep all day, just a cat nap. Buttercup and a Hershey.